But it endured without struggling, as if it knew they were trying to help. Although it held back the pain, everyone could see its anguish. This pain was indescribable in words. The doctors were meticulously treating its wound, doing their best to help it through this difficult time. It was allowed to stay at the hospital to recover peacefully, requiring daily dressing changes. Now, in comparison to before, it looks much better. It should have been rescued from that captive life much earlier. Its future will definitely be better. Let the past be carried away by the wind. Each time it fell asleep, the pain made it tremble. They came to visit the dog again on the third day, continuing the routine dressing change, giving it a full checkup. The test results showed no problems. The dog is still healthy. The X-ray also revealed no issues with its digestive system. There were some minor congenital bone problems, but they did not affect its life. Everything was normal. After enduring the long darkness and pain, this injured dog finally saw the dawn of life, and its recovery condition improved day by day. In the first few days after the injury, it had persistent bleeding symptoms. The abdominal pain completely took away its appetite. But the rescuers never gave up. They guarded it day and night, providing it with meticulous treatment and care. With everyone's efforts, the situation gradually began to improve. The long-forgotten hunger started to resurface, and it approached the food voluntarily for the first time. It started eating little by little, and in that moment, a glimmer of hope shone in its eyes. As if telling everyone, I want to live well. Seeing its increased appetite, the rescuers were overjoyed. They saw the hope of life in it, and became even more determined never to give up on it. They saw the hope of life in it, and became even more determined never to give up on it. Its earlier life had been so tragic, suffering countless hardships and torments. But from now on, they promised that the second half of its life would never let it suffer again. After many days of persistence, the day to remove the bandages had finally arrived. As the rescuers gently unwrapped the bandages that had been there for days, its gaze seemed to be saying, "Thank you." It knew it was one step closer to a full recovery. Fortunately, these kind-hearted humans extended a helping hand in time. Otherwise, the worsening leg infection could have endangered its life. Now, it no longer had to be bound by the bandages. Its gaze seemed to be saying, "Thank you."